All right, guys. Example 46. So this is how I would go about it. 6 e to the x is equal to 7 minus 2 over e to the x. So that's applying a law of indices, where if the power is negative, in the numerator, I can bring it down to the denominator and make it positive. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the fractions. One way to do that is to multiply the entire equation by the LCM of the denominator. Now, the LCM of the denominator is e to the x. So I'm going to multiply the entire equation by e to the x. So this is 6e to the x times e to the x is equal to 7 times e to the x minus 2 over e to the x times e to the x. So what I did is I multiply every term in the expression, in the equation, by e to the x. And this is to get rid of the fractions. So what I now have is 6 e to the x times e to the x is e to the x squared is equal to 7 e to the x minus 2, because e to the x cancels e to the x. So now I have 6 e to the x squared minus 7 e to the x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if I call e to the x a, I'm going to have 6a squared minus 7a plus 2 is equal to 0. I think that this can be factorized. 2 factors of 12 to give me 7. That would be 3 and 4. So 6a squared minus 3a minus 4a plus 2 is equal to 0. Using the ABC method, 3a is common. I have 2a minus 1. Over to the right, 2 is common. We have 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2a minus 1 multiplied by 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2a minus 1 is equal to 0, or 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1/2, or a is equal to 2 over 3. But remember that a is actually e to the x. So we have e to the x is equal to 1/2. And or e to the x is equal to 2/3. Now, if I take ln of both sides, I'm going to have x ln e is equal to ln 1/2, or x ln e is equal to ln 2 over 3. Now ln e is 1, so 1 times x is equal to ln 1/2, or x is equal to ln 2/3. So these are your exact answers. And if you wanted to get decimals, you could put ln 1/2 in a calculator, write your answer to 3 significant figure, and put x ln 2/3 in your calculator, and also write your answer to 3 significant figures.